Hello class 11th, welcome back dear student. This is the video number 2nd of chapter number 2, biological classification. In this video we will study about the 5 kingdom system of classification. So let's see about the 5 kingdom system of classification. 5 kingdom system of classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker in 1969. As we all know that R.H. Whittaker proposed the 5 kingdom system in which he grouped all the organisms of this universe into the 5 kingdoms, which are kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. In the kingdom Monera, all are the prokaryotic organisms. In the kingdom Protista, all are the unicellular and eukaryotic organisms. As you are knowing that the prokaryotes and eukaryotes, what are the differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes? The prokaryotic organism having not well developed nucleus. They only have a thread-like chromosomal materials embedded into the cytoplasm of the cell, without any cell envelope, without any nuclear membrane, etc. And the eukaryotes are having the true nucleus. So this is the differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So unicellular eukaryotes are comes into the Protista. Then kingdom Fungi having multicellular decomposers. Some exception also occurs. They are the unicellular also. The yeast is a unicellular fungus. But majority of fungi is a multicellular and they are the decomposers. They are the non-chlorophyllous group of plant. They are the decomposers. They are the saprophytic, parasitic and they are the heterotrophic. Then the kingdom Plantae having the green pigment or green colored plant and they are the multicellular producer, also known as metaphyta. They are the multicellular producer. They produce and they synthesize the food by the process of photosynthesis. Some exception also like insectivorous plant. They eat the insect for their nitrogen requirement because they are grow on the marshy land. But majority of plants are the multicellular and they are the producer. Whereas the last kingdom, kingdom Animalia, having a multicellular consumers, or we can say that metazoa. So multicellular consumer means they consume the food prepared by producer or plant. So these are the 5 kingdoms. What are the different criteria by which Whittaker classify such a 5 kingdom system? So there are 5 criteria chosen by Whittaker. The number 1 criteria is the cell structure. On the basis of cell structure, he classified the 5 kingdom system on the basis of thallus organization, how the shape and structure of the organism. So thallus organization. On the basis of mode of nutrition, how organism take their food, either it is autotrophic or heterotrophic. So mode of nutrition is also a criteria for the classification of 5 kingdom system. Then mode of reproduction, how organism reproduce, either it is vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction. So which type of reproduction organism show, on that basis. So reproduction is also important criteria. And last one is the phylogenetic relationship, the evolutionary relationship, which organism is originated after which organism. So which organism is the ancestor of the present generation organism. So these are the 5 criteria chosen by R.H. Whittaker for the classification of 5 kingdom system of classification, in which Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia comes. There are some advantage and some drawback of this system of classification. So let us see the advantage. Advantage is that the separate kingdom for Monera is created by R.H. Whittaker, because Monera are the prokaryotic group of organism and very huge amount of prokaryotes found in this universe. The hidden world of microorganism bacteria and archaebacteria are found in this universe. So Whittaker give the separate kingdom for monerans. Then the separate kingdom for Protista, very huge amount of unicellular eukaryotes means protozoa or Protista. They are found in the freshwater, marine water, dinoflagellate, chrysophytes, so many group of Protista found in this world. So the separate kingdom for Protista. Then the separate kingdom for the fungi. Fungi is also a very much amount, very largest, more than 10,000 species of fungi is found in this world. So the separate kingdom for fungi is also created by Whittaker. Then level of organization and mode of nutrition is the basic advantage. Then the established evolutionary relationship. The five kingdom systems show the evolutionary relationship or phylogenetic relationship of organisms. So these are the advantage of R.H. Whittaker five kingdom system of classification. But some drawback also. The drawback is that the phylogenetic relationship is not possible at the lower level of organization. This is the drawback. For example, some alga is taken oxygen some alga is taken hydrogen instead of oxygen. They taken hydrogen from sulfur hydrogen. So some alga take the hydrogen instead of H2O, they take the hydrogen from H2S. The Euglena, which is a unicellular protozoa, they show the autotrophic as well as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So these are the two examples. In lower level of organization, the phylogenetic relationship is not possible. Algae is also not classified on the lower level, either it is unicellular or multicellular. So this is the drawback. Then second drawback is archaebacteria is different from eubacteria. As you see that the kingdom Monera having the prokaryotic organism, but in the kingdom Monera the archaebacteria are different organism and eubacteria having the different organism. So this is the drawback. They are not separated in the five kingdoms. That's why the six kingdoms comes into the existence. Then viruses are not included in this kingdom. Actually viruses are the non-cellular acellular organism. So they are not included anywhere in the five kingdom system of classification. And then mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is the another group of organism, but they collectively comes into the Protista or Monera. So mycoplasma should be separate. So these are the drawback and these are the advantage. And these are the five kingdom system, and this is the five criteria on which Whittaker proposed the five kingdom system of classification. So this is all about the video number 2 of chapter number 2 biological classification. In the next video, video number 3, we will study about the kingdom Monera in details. Thank you.